Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Bowers & Wilkins AM-1 architectural monitor loudspeakers, an elegantly engineered, weather-resistant speaker set designed to deliver premium audio performance for your patio, garden, or poolside. Click the link below for the best price. If you're searching for a durable yet high-fidelity speaker solution for your outdoor spaces, the Bowers & Wilkins AM-1 is a truly standout choice. Crafted with the precision and quality B&W is known for, these speakers bring powerful, detailed sound outdoors, without sacrificing style or resilience. The AM-1 speakers feature a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter, engineered for crisp and clear high frequencies. Whether you're playing your favorite music, hosting a backyard party, or enjoying a quiet evening with ambient sounds, you'll appreciate the clarity and brightness these tweeters deliver. Complementing the tweeter is a 5-inch glassfibre cone midrange driver, paired with an auxiliary bass radiator. This combination ensures rich, dynamic midrange performance with a deep, controlled low-end response. Thanks to this design, the AM-1 offers a balanced, full-bodied sound that fills your outdoor environment without distortion, even at higher volumes. One of the most impressive aspects of the AM-1 is its weather-resistant construction. Built to withstand the elements, these speakers are sealed against dust, moisture, and UV exposure. Rain or shine, the AM-1 maintains its performance and aesthetic, making it ideal for patios, gardens, pool areas, and even yachts or seaside properties. The speakers come with an innovative mounting system that allows for both horizontal and vertical installation. The clever one-plug mounting bracket makes setup straightforward while offering up to 220 degrees of rotation, so you can direct the sound exactly where you need it most. Visually, the AM-1 boasts a minimalist, modern design that blends beautifully into any setting. The white finish provides a clean, elegant look, complementing a wide range of outdoor decors without drawing too much attention to itself. Internally, the AM-1 uses an inverted drive unit configuration, placing the tweeter below the bass/midrange driver. This helps optimize sound dispersion when mounted high on a wall, ensuring that you get natural, even sound coverage across your outdoor space. Each speaker is engineered to deliver impressive performance while minimizing energy consumption and environmental impact, making it an efficient and responsible choice as well. To sum it all up, the Bowers & Wilkins AM-1 architectural monitor loudspeakers offer a rare combination of audiophile-grade sound, rugged outdoor durability, and stylish design. With a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter, 5 inches glassfibre cone midrange, auxiliary bass radiator, and weatherproof build, these speakers are ready to transform your patio, garden, or poolside into a true high-fidelity listening oasis. Click the link below for the best price, and bring premium sound outdoors with the Bowers & Wilkins AM-1 today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.